Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I explain neuroscience concepts in simple terms. Today, we are going to learn about EPSP, which stands for excitatory postsynaptic potential. EPSP is a type of electrical signal that occurs in the brain when one neuron communicates with another neuron through a synapse. A synapse is a tiny gap between two neurons where chemical messengers called neurotransmitters are released. Some neurotransmitters are excitatory, which means they make the next neuron more likely to fire an action potential, or a spike of electrical activity. These neurotransmitters bind to receptors on the postsynaptic neuron, or the neuron that receives the signal, and open channels that allow positively charged ions to flow into the cell. This makes the inside of the cell more positive, or depolarized compared to the outside. This change in voltage is called an EPSP. The most common excitatory neurotransmitter in the brain is glutamate, which is involved in learning and memory. Another example is acetylcholine, which is important for muscle movement and attention. EPSPs are graded, which means they can vary in size depending on how many neurotransmitters are released and how many channels are opened. EPSPs are also additive, which means they can sum up with other EPSPs or IPSPs, which are inhibitory postsynaptic potentials that make the next neuron less likely to fire. EPSPs alone are usually not enough to trigger an action potential in the postsynaptic neuron. They need to reach a certain threshold of depolarization to do so. This can happen when multiple EPSPs occur at the same time, or in a short period of time at different synapses on the same neuron. This is called spatial or temporal summation. EPSPs are important for neural communication and information processing in the brain. They enable neurons to integrate inputs from different sources and modulate their output accordingly. They also play a role in synaptic plasticity, which is the ability of synapses to change their strength and efficiency over time based on experience. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new about EPSPs and how they work in the brain. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more neuroscience content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.